Feedback pop. Somebody counting off wrong. Door slams. Folding chairs in a church basement. Coffee burned donuts, hard as luck. Flyers taped over old bake sales. Someone's cousin wiring the subs. Hymn books stacked by the breaker box. Dust on the choir mic grill. I learned rhythm from bad acoustics. I'm making something move anyway. Spin the floor around. Lose count, keep sound. 2 blocks later, club bathroom mirror. Lights too white, bass too mean. DJ splicing gospel chords into a drum machine from '03. Somebody crying, somebody laughing. Same stall, different reasons. Faith looks weird at 1:30 a.m., but it keeps tapping my shoulder. I've been saved by silence, I've been saved by noise, by a borrowed amp and a borrowed voice. If it moves your body, it might fix your head. If it fixes your head, go back and move instead. To wobble bass, fiddle squeals through auto-tune. Clap on the wrong side of the beat, then drag it back till it blooms. Grandma's hymn hums under the drop. Polka steps in sneaker squeak. Tradition breaks its own rules just to stay breathing. Jumping late, jumping loud, spin the floor around. Hits the parking lot, sweat dries into chalk. We leave crumbs of sound behind us on every place we walk. No genre left unbent, no rule left standing straight. Just a pulse that learned to borrow and never learned to wait.